Hey guys, hola chicos, welcome back to my channel. Today I did a back to school makeup look using only drugstore products because let's be real, when you're in school you probably don't have that much money to be buying super luxurious expensive stuff, and drugstore makeup is just as good, sometimes better, so might as well make something affordable look very luxurious. So I came up with this look. It's very neutral, it goes with everything literally. And I didn't do any eyeliner or fake lashes. This is pretty easy to do. But yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So to start off, I'm going to use the Milani Prime Light Face Primer. It's strobing and pore minimizing, and I'm going to just rub that all over my face. And for foundation, I'm going to use by Maybelline the Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 310. I'm going to mix that with the L'Oreal True Match in the shade W6. And I'm just going to mix those two foundations together and apply that on my face with a brush. And then I'm going to blend it in with the Echo Tools blend sponge. I really disliked this sponge actually, so later on you'll see me use a different one. And that one I love, and it's by Sonia Kesha. And this one, it just literally didn't blend anything out. It just left everything sitting on top of my face, so I actually disliked it a lot. And for concealer, I'm using the Maybelline concealers. I'm not sure what they're called. I think they're the Fit Me ones, but I'm not sure. And the shade is 10 Light. I mixed it with 20 Sand Sable. And I mixed those two together and applied it under my eyes, my forehead, bridge of my nose, upper lip, and chin, because I want those areas to stand out the most, and I also want to cover up my dark circles that I have underneath my eyes. And I'm also using that as my eyelid primer. And for contour, I'm going to use by Maybelline the Fit Me Shine Free Foundation in the shade 340. I'm putting that on my cheekbones, the sides of my nose, the top of my forehead, bottom of my lip, and my chin. And I'm just going to blend that out with the Sonia Kesha sponge. I love this sponge. I wasn't going to use it because it was dirty and I was too lazy to go wash it, but I ended up using it anyways, and I absolutely love this sponge. It blends so well and I finish so quickly, so I definitely recommend this sponge. And I don't have a setting powder, so I ended up using the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin. It says Skin Transforming Powder in the shade 30. I was not about to go buy a setting powder. I just used everything that I had at home, so I ended up using that, and I just used it with my beauty blender, or my sponge. I just tapped it in there and then just tapped it on my face so I can have a nicer finish. And I really liked it. It just added more coverage to it because it's not a translucent powder or anything, which I was totally fine with. And then for bronzer, I'm going to use the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula with my BH Cosmetics brush in the number 2. And I'm just putting that everywhere where I put the contour. So on my cheekbones, the sides of my face, my forehead, the sides of my nose, chin, and bottom of my lip. I really like this brush. I think it's super easy to create a nice contour and like bronze up my face. So I definitely recommend this brush, and it's super cheap too. And by Makeup Revolution, I'm going to use the Sophie X eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use that top corner shade with the Morphe E23 brush, and I'm going to put that all in my outer corner and in my crease. And I'm also adding that color to my lid because I want this look to just be a super matte, easy look all the way through. So I'm just going to apply that to my crease, my lid, and the outer corner. And then with the Morphe M432, I'm going to use the black shade in the bottom corner, and I'm just going to create pretty much like a wing with that. This is super easy for whenever you don't know how to do a wing liner or something. You can just create it. And I just created it with eyeshadow, and it's super easy to clean up if you mess up or anything because it's not as crazy pigmented as liner is. And then just to deepen up my crease a little bit more, I'm using that brownish second to last eyeshadow color shade in the bottom corner, just in the outside of my crease and the lower lash line, and I'm just blending that out. And I'm just adding a little bit more darkness because I felt like it went away. And then for mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara, and I used probably like 4, maybe 5 coats because I really wanted to coat my lashes like really good. But you don't have to do that at all. It's totally unnecessary, but this girl right here wanted to, so she did. And for blush, I'm going to use the Aesthetica P12 brush and the Milani Baked Blush in 06, which is Bellissimo Bronze. And I just put that in the apples of my cheeks and the bridge of my nose and a little bit on my chin because I love blush. I think it adds so much more. I used to hate it actually, but now I'm all about it. And I'm just adding mascara to my bottom lashes. And for lips, I'm using by NYX Cosmetics the Suede lip liners. I'm using the shade Truffle and London. London is a little bit lighter, so I started off with that one first just to outline my lips. And I'm just using a little bit of Truffle afterwards just to outline a little bit more. And for the rest of my lips, I'm using the Soft Matte Lip Cream by NYX as well in the shade London. So it's the same one as the first lip liner, and I absolutely love this shade. I use it almost on a daily basis. And for highlight, I'm going to use by BH Cosmetics the Carly Bible palette. I'm going to use the 2 middle shades. And I'm going to use that with the Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush. And I absolutely love this combo. I used it on the high points of my cheekbones, my brows, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and a little bit on my chin. And I thought this was such a good combo for my skin tone. And I also used it in my inner corner as a highlight as well. It looked super good in the sunlight. I absolutely love these 2 combos. Alright, so that concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, chicos.